Hey everybody, welcome back to RboundlessVentures, and today I'm going to show you how we repair our outdoor rug using just an ordinary grommet kit. I happen to get this one at Harbor Freight, but you could probably pick them up anywhere. It comes with all the tools that you'll need to install the grommets in your outdoor rug. So stay tuned, and we'll roll the intro and we'll get right into it. So everybody uses one of these rugs when they're at a campsite. The problem is the flimsy webbing they put on the sides just rips off when the wind blows. So today we're gonna install these O-rings. It's for a tarp repair kit, but I think it's gonna work great to put in the corners of the rugs. The holes will be big enough for the stakes to hold it down, and it won't tear up the rug, and it'll help hold it more secure. So let's get into it. So we're going to use our tarp repair kit here to add these grommets to the edge of our rug to help keep it in place. We're going to take a spot here with the webbing, use our cutout. Take put our pieces together. So now that we have our hole punched, we put our piece in there. We're going to set it in the tool, put the washer over it, use our setting tool here, locks it in place. A few little taps. Now we have a nice hole to hold our stakes. On to the next one. So now that we have our next hole, we got our piece on there. Put it over our hole. Grab our, we call it the washer. Put the smooth side out. Use the setting tool. A few whacks, that locks everything together. And a nice solid hole. It looks nice. So get our other end up here. Just repeat the process 2 more times. 3 little whacks. Piece of cake. One more. All locked together. Pretty easy. And I think our rug will stay in place a lot better. So that's going to wrap up today's video, guys. I hope that you found it useful. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. If you like seeing videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. Doesn't cost you anything. It's free to subscribe. We really appreciate all our viewers, all our subscribers, and pay attention. We got a lot of good content coming out. You'll notice the screen room behind me. I'm working on a video for that. So stay tuned, and hopefully we'll see you guys out on the road. Thanks for watching.